Hi guys, I'm Chef Rakhee Vaswani and welcome to the virtual baking series of Taste of America. I know we are all stuck at home, but that doesn't stop us from tasting some amazing produce that America has to offer. So in this series, I'm going to do an amazing, quick and easy blueberry and oats muffin. And I'm going to use the amazing produce of blueberries and oats from America. So let's get started. Here's a very classic recipe and it's mouth-watering and it's something which everyone loves. But I'm going to do a very different twist to it. So what I'm doing is I'm making it eggless. I'm going to use Bob's Redmill Egg Replacer. Amazing produce and very easily available right here. So it's really simple. For this recipe it calls for 2 eggs, and the egg replacer I need to use 2 tablespoons with 4 tablespoons of water. So first I'm going to start and I'm going to actually make my egg replacement. So here goes. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of that. I want to level it. So that's 1. And I just need to level that and keep it aside. So that's 2. So I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of water, mix that and just keep it aside, and it's that simple, yeah. In case you don't want to do it with the egg replacer, you can use 2 eggs, but here's what I like to do, and it's really simple and easy, and trust me, the recipe is really nice, soft and scrumptious. So just want to mix that. Make sure you get rid of all the lumps into that. And then I'm going to start with my recipe. And as you can see now, your egg replacement is ready. It's thickened up beautifully. And we just want to keep that aside. Now we'll start moving with the recipe. So I'm going to start with my butter. And that's kind of room temperature. It shouldn't be very firm, but shouldn't be melted as well. And I am using salted butter here. In case you use unsalted, you can add a pinch of salt to bring out the sweetness. So I'm going to start with my butter and my castor sugar, and we're going to beat the 2 things together. And now that my butter and my sugar is beaten well together, next I'm going to add in the egg replacer as well as a little bit of vanilla extract. So I'm going to go in with some vanilla. This is a little good extract that I'm using, and even if you want to use a pod, you can use that too. And then I'm going to add in my egg replacer, which I had thickened and kept aside. And then want to mix all of that together. And you can see that kind of literally doubles up for the egg that you're not using in this recipe. It's a lovely recipe, really simple and easy, and a very classic one. And you know, it's something that everyone looks forward to. So time to put in a little bit of baking powder into the flour. And again, I'm going to level that and put that in. So that the flour goes in with my mixture. So I'm going to fold in my flour and then of course add some nice zest and lemon juice. But then of course the main hero is the blueberries. Don't let them fool you, you know, because of their miniature sizes. As they say, you know, good things really come in small packages. They're full of vitamin C and manganese. So yeah, amazing product. So at this stage, I'm gonna add in some lemon zest to my thing. I just want to give it that nice freshness. So I've got this amazing lemon, which just gonna get in a little bit of the zest in. And go really lightly at this stage. You don't want to go deeper because then it gets bitter. And the room is already, you know, I mean, the aroma of the lemon is really adding a lot of character to my muffins. So it's kind of a match made in heaven when you add a little bit of that acid into your muffins. And that's amazing. So now I want to get some juice in as well. So I'm gonna chop it up and just add a little bit of the juice. into my mixture. So just wanna soften that a bit. Yum. You know, when you see a good produce, you're really happy about that. So a little bit of the lemon juice. I don't want too much of it, very little. And 1 tablespoon does the trick, and I'm good to go. So I'm just gonna mix that in. So as you can see, it's all coming together. And now for the milk going in, and you just want to gently again do a cut and fold. At this stage, I don't want to use the beater because I really don't want it to become very heavy. Trust me, this egg replacer does wonderful tricks to the recipe, and you will feel it's as good as a lovely egg bun recipe. And then the rest of the milk. And now all I have to do is add the magic ingredient, which are the blueberries. This amazing produce of America, which I'm absolutely in love with. And now for my hero, just gonna add my blueberries. And you don't mind mashing a few also. I love the fact when, you know, they go into baking, they start bleeding so beautifully, and that's the lovely part. So there you go. As you can see, once I'm mixing, I'm gonna mash a few, and I'm gonna get that beautiful color bleeding into it. So just putting it into a piping bag and then straight into a mold. So when I fill these approximately 3/4, and they look beautiful, you know, when they start baking, the blueberries are just going to bleed into that, and that looks really lovely. So I'm adding some Bob's Redmill stone ground oats. And you can use, they have a good variety, you can use whichever you like. I like these particular ones because they give that nice bite and crunch to it. So now these gorgeous blueberry and oats muffins are ready to be baked, and my oven is already preheated. So it's going to go in for 160, 170 degrees, and they'll take somewhere between 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to check with a toothpick inserted in the center until it comes out clean. Of course, those lovely blueberries are going to bleed into it, and that's the whole beauty. Like I said, you know, good things come in small packages, so don't doubt this one. So the blueberry muffins are absolutely gorgeous looking. They're straight out of the oven. You know, they always say that a beautiful way of filling up your plate is with a colorful of vegetables and fruits, making it look like this amazing rainbow. And I think blueberry definitely add that lovely blue color to that plate. So they do real justice. So guys, for many such more exciting and fun recipes, don't forget to stay tuned, keep following, and follow us at Taste of America, IN and me for these amazing, tasty, yummy recipes. I'm going to dig into my blueberry oats muffin, and you watch and make that recipe. Have a tasty day, guys.